Hello everyone, welcome back to Silent Tales by Chandana. Today we are uncovering the incredible story of a company that quietly became the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. A company that started with just 3 engineers and today powers ChatGPT, self-driving cars, scientific research, robotics, supercomputers, and almost every major AI breakthrough in the world. This is the story of Nvidia. In June 2024, Nvidia briefly became the world's most valuable company, crossing a market value of over $3 trillion. That means, for a period of time, it was worth more than Apple and Microsoft. But the real question is, how did a company once known only for gaming graphics cards become the world's most important AI company? To understand that, we need to go back to 1993. Nvidia was founded by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prem. At the time, computers were mainly used for office work. Video games were simple, and almost nobody imagined that graphic processors would one day become the engine behind artificial intelligence. The founders believed that computer graphics would become increasingly complex and that traditional processors would not be powerful enough. Instead of building another CPU, they focused on creating a specialized processor that could perform thousands of calculations simultaneously. That design changed computing forever. In 1999, and as AI research accelerated, companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Tesla all needed enormous computing power. NVIDIA's GPUs became the industry standard because they offered unmatched performance and were supported by CUDA, NVIDIA's software platform that allowed developers to build powerful AI applications. Today, if you use ChatGPT, generate AI images, or watch an AI powered recommendation on social media, there is high chance that NVIDIA hardware played a role somewhere behind the scenes. Jensen Huang's leadership was another key reason for the company's success. While competitors focused mainly on gaming, he invested billions of dollars into AI years before it became mainstream. Many people questioned that decision at that time, but when the AI boom arrived, Nvidia was already years ahead of its competitors. The release of ChatGPT in late 2022 triggered an explosion in demand for AI computing. Suddenly, every major technology company wanted NVIDIA's advanced AI chips. Data centers around the world raced to purchase them, creating one of the biggest technology booms in modern history. Today, Nvidia is no longer just a chip company. It is building the foundation for the future of artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, robotics, healthcare, climate research, and scientific discovery. Its latest AI chip continued to become faster and more efficient, while its software ecosystem keeps strengthening its leadership. But competition is growing. AMD, Intel, Google, Amazon, and several startups are all developing their own AI chips. The next decade will determine whether Nvidia can maintain its position at the top or whether another company will lead the next revolution. One thing is certain. Without Nvidia, the AI revolution we are witnessing today would have looked very different. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new today, please hit a like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you are passionate about technology, history, science, business, and the untold stories shaping our future, don't forget to subscribe to Silent Tales by Chandana and turn on the notification bell. Because every week we bring you fascinating stories that help you understand the world in the whole new way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.